Hello, welcome to SJ Highlights, and today I'm coming to you with another ambitious project. This is the headboard that I've been working with, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to revamp this headboard. I'm going to use this bedding here I got from Walmart. Also this material, also from Walmart. Let's go over here a little bit so I can show you here. I need a staple gun for this project. We have some washers and nails. Here I have the gems is what I'm going to be tufting it with. And if you can see the white material, I've just bought the whole roll from Walmart. Okay, this extra wood here. I'm going to use that for heighteners for this because I took the others off, remember, and then I made the chair and everything, remember that? Okay, so those are the sides that I took off. Alright, so that wood right here, I'm going to put that in the middle here so that I can actually tuft it. So, okay, like I said, very ambitious. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I have all of the open spaces covered up. Remember before I had those holes in there for style, I guess. I have them covered up so that now I'm going to wash this off, and then I'm going to start putting on the cushion. Alright, so I finished wrapping it, putting the cushion on there, and now it's time to cover it with the material. So we'll see how this is going to turn out. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this, I put the material on, and I'm just going to take it and staple like that. See that? Stapling it. Stapling the material down. Now I'm going to turn it over and do the same to the other side by stapling it, and then I'm going to cut off these extra pieces here. Okay, so now that I got it on the other side, I'm going to fold this in like this, and I'm going to staple the back all the way over. You guys, I can't do this one-handed, but you get the point. Just pull that in right there, fold it in, take the stapling gun, and tuck it in. That's it. Sorry for my finger in the way. Alright, so we got everything all tucked in and cut off. So now we're going to start tufting. Okay guys, look at this. Before I start tufting, I was going to start tufting now, but before I start, what do you think? Do you think that I should go with, I'm going to go with this bling wrap trim, but I don't know what I should go with. I don't know if I should go with the thicker one, like this right here. This is 5 rows, and that's 3 rows, that's 2 rows. I could even go a 4 row. So let me know, what do you think? What do you think I should go with this? I'm going to send it to the person. I'm going to give a picture to the person I'm making this for and see what they say. But what would you pick for this? Would you pick the thicker trim, a smaller trim, or maybe even 1 row? What would you pick? Okay, so what I'm doing now, as you can see, is I put these washers on there like that, and I put them there because that's where I'm going to put all the tufting at, right? I have the bottom, I have that untampered with. I'm not going to do anything with that because I need the extra room to do the tufting. If you can see that. Focus. Can you see? Okay, yeah, so now I'm going to, everywhere that you see that washer is where a screw is going to, I'm sorry, not a screw, a nail is going to go in, and it's going to be my tufting marks, okay? Okay guys, so I did all of the dots here. See those black dots? Those are where I'm going to put the tufted marks at. Here is what I'm doing here. If you look at that, that has the screw and the washer. I'm sorry, the nail and washer. I keep calling it screws. Anyway, forgive that spot. I got to clean that off. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so you see how I got the screw and the nail. Why do I keep saying that? Crazy, crazy. The nail and the washer in there. Well, now I have the jewel that I'm going to place in there to cover it, right? So what I'm doing is I'm putting some glue on there like that, and then I'm going to stick it in there just like that. Okay, so now guys, what I'm doing is I'm putting this bling wrap on, and all I'm doing is taking a glue stick, putting some glue on there, and placing the bling wrap down, just like that. Yeah, just putting this down. I'm covering up all my seams that I had before. So that's what's good about bling wrap. It's good for any imperfections that you have. You could just cover it like that. So I'm going to finish this up and give you the big reveal. Coming up in 3, 2, 1.